What is cloud computing? Cloud computing explained by Let Me Study. As the owner of a small software development firm, scaling up your business can be challenging due to limited resources, a small team, and unpredictability of demand. Cloud computing is a potential solution, but it's important to understand the differences between on-premise and cloud-based computing to make an informed decision. On-premise setups are expensive, offer fewer options, and scaling up or down is difficult and often leads to heavy losses. In contrast, cloud computing allows you to pay only for what you use, and scaling up or down is much easier and faster. Server storage for on-premise systems requires a lot of space and maintenance, while cloud computing solutions are offered by service providers who manage and maintain the servers, saving you both money and space. Data security is also better with cloud computing systems, as they offer much better security measures, disaster recovery plans, and avoid the need to constantly monitor and manage security protocols. Maintenance for on-premise systems requires additional teams for hardware and software maintenance, while cloud computing systems are maintained by the cloud service providers, reducing costs and resource allocation. Cloud computing refers to on-demand computing services delivered over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis, in a cost-efficient manner. Cloud computing has two types of models: deployment model and service model. There are three deployment models: public, private, and hybrid cloud. The service models are infrastructure as a service. IaaS is commonly used by IT administrators. PaaS is suitable for developing and testing applications, and SaaS is for software and hardware requirements satisfied by vendors. The most popular cloud computing services in the market are AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Understanding the differences between them is essential for making an informed decision.